Alright guys, I'm going to be doing a strip down and clean today on a ProBreeze 1500 milliliter dehumidifier. It's model number PB-03-UK. You've got 4 screws on the back here. We've got 2 screws on the bottom there as well. You've got a screw there as well, which that's going to be for the 2 LEDs, so it ain't as though it's anything too taxing. See if we can whip this apart. Oh, a fan wants to come with it as well. Oh, you've got a little catch here, just pull that out. You've got the same on here as well, just get behind that, just give it a little pry, and hopefully, yep, there you go, that flips. So it's just a little dirty, it's just these fins to help with it condensating. So that's good enough for that bit. So all it is just to help it work like it should when you got it when it was new. It's just a case of everything gets dirty to some point. And just snap that up. And then these are what's going to be where the water collects, or the moisture collects, and then it'll drip off of those onto this little tray, or the other little tray that's on the other side, where you've got a little hole in the middle, and then it will drip down into your tray here. And that's going to be pretty well much it. That's a little bit dusty in there as well, so that's going to restrict the flow, so we'll do that as well whilst we're at it. So put it back together again. Nothing too major, but just give that a little tweak. That's all right. This is going to be one of those things that you're going to be wanting to do now and then. So when you do that, putting it together, do the unscrew part. So you put it in, unscrew it till you hear it click, and that donk there. There we go again. There you go. And now when you do that up, that's going down exactly the same thread it came out of doing plastic things, it does sometimes like going in a little wonky. It'll cut another thread, and then at some point you're going to go and do that up a little bit too tight, and that's going to strip the thread out of it. So that's it, that's all done, guys. Hopefully you found it helpful. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.